In this video, we are unboxing the 108-piece combination tool set. The product label: a 1/4 ratcheting wrench, a 1/4 drive handle, a 1/4 drive short extension bar, a 1/4 drive universal joint, hex key, one-half ratcheting wrench, one-half drive short extension bar, one-half drive sliding T-handle, one-half drive universal joint, one-half drive 16mm spark plug socket, one-half drive 21mm spark plug socket, a 1/4 drive standard sockets from 4mm to 14mm, a 1/4 drive torque sockets E4 to E8, one-half drive standard sockets from 10mm to 32mm, one-half drive torque sockets E10 to E24, one-half drive bit adapter, various bits, one-half drive bits, a 1/4 drive long sockets from 6mm to 13mm, one-half drive 14mm long socket, one-half drive 15mm long socket, one-half drive 17mm long socket, one-half drive 19mm long socket, one-half drive 22mm long socket, a 1/4 drive sliding T-handle, a 1/4 drive long extension bar. We use the 1/4 ratcheting wrench as an example. If you need more reach in a tight spot, we need to add the handle and extension bar, and then assemble the socket. We can choose different lengths to suit different working spaces. The sliding T-handle is for stubborn bolts. By holding one end of the handle, we can complete easier operation. We can connect the matching socket directly. If space is tight, we can add an extension bar in between. Now, let's go over how to use the tools. First, identify the target size. Then select the corresponding socket. Then choose the appropriate ratcheting wrench for that socket. To connect, press the button on top of the ratchet to attach the socket. The ratcheting wrench features a selector lever. With the lever pushed to the right, it drives clockwise. That's the tightening direction. With the lever pushed to the left, it drives counterclockwise. That's the loosening direction. We position the assembled tool on the target bolts. For loosening, move the lever to the left. Then swing the handle. Rotate the ratcheting head. And we can see the bolt comes out quickly and easily. The tightening process is the same. First, position the target bolts in place. Move the ratcheting selector lever to the right. Position the socket over the bolts. Rotate the handle. After tightening, remove the tool. Press the button on the ratcheting head to remove the socket. Return the socket to the storage case. The above demonstration is for instruction only. In actual use, please make sure to select the appropriate socket based on the bolt's size and vehicle application.